One of the common mistake of Thai pronunciation is with the word มาก mâak, which means a lot or very. Many foreigners or Thai learners usually say mâak, mâak, and that doesn't sound correct. And in this video, I'm gonna help you improve your pronunciation with กอไก่ ending sound or glottal stop sound. Let's get started. First of all ค่ะ when กอไก่ or K as ending, you do not release the final sound. No. But you still pronounce it. But you have to close your nose and your throat so you don't release the final sound. Let's see an example with the word มาก mâak. See, I do not release k. No. มาก mâak, mâak. Tips for you. Firstly, you pronounce the word mâak, but you do not release the ending sound. Second tip, before you're about to finish pronouncing that word, you try to squeeze the throat together. mâak. See, you still pronounce it, but close the throat before you release the ending sound. So, together, follow me. mâak, mâak. Here you go. Now, time to practice. I prepare 5 words with กอไก่ or K ending sound for you to learn to improve your pronunciation. Let's get started with the first one. Of course, the first one is the word มาก ชอบมาก Follow me. ชอบมาก I like it a lot. Second word ค่ะ the word รัก love, to love. รัก squeeze it at the end. รัก good. ฉันรักคุณ ฉันรักคุณ I love you. Number 2. Spicy. prík, which means chili. prík, close the throat. prík, chili. ไม่ใส่พริก Do not put in chili. Number 4. The word จาก from. One more time. Follow me. จาก Squeeze it. Do not release the ending sound. จาก From. ฉันมาจากอเมริกา I come from USA. The last but not least, the word children or child. ลูก 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 ฉันไม่มีลูก I don't have a child. ฉันไม่มีลูก See, all of these words, I do not release the ending word. So, does it help? If yes, share this video with your friends. Maybe you can help them improve their pronunciation as well. Alright, let me know if these tips from me work well with you by commenting below. If you want to learn more with Thai pronunciation, I do have a course called Thai Pronunciation Series that are on my website www.bananathaischool.com. This course, you will learn more than just กอไก่ ending sound, but with other sound, with tones, and also with tips to pronounce Thai words correctly and confidently. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy. เจอกันนะคะ บ๊ายบาย ชอบไหม Do you like it? ชอบมาก I love it very much.